Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 12.3 question number 4. Cost of 5 kg of wheat is rupees 91.50. What will be the cost of 8 kg of wheat? Right? Now we will solve this question in this way. That is cost of 5 kg of wheat 5 kg of wheat is rupees 91.50. Therefore, cost of 1 kg of wheat is rupees 91.50 by 5. Therefore, cost of 8 kg of wheat is rupees 91.50 by 5 into 8. Right? Now, if we change into fraction, what you are getting? If we change into fraction, that is rupees 91.50 by 100, that is by 5 into 100 into 8. Right? Now, if we divide this number, the 0 will cancel. Right? And divide 915 by 5, that is 5 1 is 5, and it is 5 1 is 5, 4 41, 5 8 is 40, 5 8 is 40, 1 15, 5 3 is 15. Right? 183 into 8. Therefore, if you multiply 183 into 8, what you are getting? 3 8 is 24, 2, 4, 8 is 64, plus 2 66, 6, it is 6, 8 and 8, 8 plus 6 is 14, 1464. Therefore, we are getting rupees 1464, 1464 by 10. That means you are getting rupees 146, 6.40. Right? The answer is therefore cost of 8 kg of wheat is rupees 146.40. This is the solution of question number A. Now we will solve question number B. Question number B. What is question number B? What quantity of wheat can be purchased in rupees 183? Right? Now we solve question number B. In rupees 91.50, quantity of wheat purchased is 5 kg. Therefore, in rupee 1, quantity of wheat purchased is 5 by 91.50 kg. Therefore, in rupees 183, quantity of wheat purchased is 5 by 91.50 into 183 into 183 kg. Now, if we multiply 183 with 5 we are getting 5 3 15, carry 1, it is carry 1, it is 5. 5 by 40 plus 1 41, 4 carry, it is 1. 5 and 5 plus 4 9, 915. That is we are getting 915 by 91.50, 91.50. That means if we change into fraction, we are getting 915 15 by 9150 by 100, right? That means we are getting 915 into 100 by 9150, 9150. This 0 will be cut, right? And 9515, 91511. That is comes to 10 kg, right? Therefore the answer is in rupees 183.83, quantity of wheat, quantity of wheat, quantity of wheat, quantity of wheat, quantity of wheat purchased in rupees 183, quantity of wheat purchased is 10 kg, right? This is the answer of question number B. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.